Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you how you can scan your fingerprint even when the screen is totally turned off, like that. So as you can see, when I put here my finger, I can unlock smartphone. And if you want to enable this option also, you have to go for the settings, scroll down and move for biometrics and the security, then tap on the fingerprints, input your pattern, and next you have to find this option to fingerprint always on. So as you can see, we can scan our fingerprint even when the screen is turned off. And right now when I'm going to disable this option, I'm not able to scan my fingerprint. So remember to enable it in the options. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.